Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday's movement was modest, but today brought more noticeable strength, with a roughly 2% rise that pushed above several important technical levels. This price behavior followed a scenario we had previously outlined as a probable outcome. After reaching the upper range, the market has since pulled back slightly, now retesting the mid-zone we've discussed in recent videos. The current range appears to be forming a more stable foundation. While remaining cautious, I'm observing this structure closely and adjusting expectations based on broader signals, always with a measured, data-driven approach. Looking at the broader activity map over multiple days, we see elevated interaction around the 115.9K region, suggesting potential magnetism in that area. When multiple timeframes begin to align on certain zones, that kind of overlap often points to directional cues worth watching. On the macro side, we've recently seen renewed confidence in digital market instruments, with net inflows returning to the positive after over a week of outflows. One major asset manager added over 40 million in recent activity, a possible sign of shifting sentiment. Additionally, recent filings show increased interest from pension fund groups and reserve managers in diversified exposure strategies related to emerging tech-linked funds. The scale of these positions appears to reflect long-term positioning rather than short-term speculation. I'll continue tracking these macro developments and share observations as they evolve. You're welcome to join our community, linked in the description. If this helped you gain perspective, give it a like, subscribe, and activate the bell for daily insights. And see you in the next one.